Hi all, welcome to Diversified Finance. Before we look at Bitcoin price action, this is the silver chart. So as you can see, this is the silver weekly chart. So silver has been going up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about like 7, about 2 months, like 7 to 8 weeks it's been going up. So this is not looking good at the moment. It's just gone up a bit too much. Maybe there's a bit of room for silver to go up to maybe like $50 per ounce. But see, I've been buying uh, gold and silver since like 2012, 13, uh, like for a long time ago. So I actually, if anyone holds gold, silver, or gold shares, right? Even recently, I sold a lot of gold shares. So if you had a lot of gold shares, you would have seen like gold, silver shares, mining companies, right? Gold miners and silver miners, they have gone up like crazy. So and it tells me like it's a good time to take profit. So I've taken some profit even. If you hold a little bit of silver or gold, you can sell and take some profit. And gold mining shares, I've sold like probably just entire portfolio. I just sold it because it's just gone crazy right now. So apart from that, that's just a quick update on gold and silver, right? So if you hold any gold stocks, gold, silver, it's a good time to take profit. That's out of the way. And now let's look at the Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, Bitcoin has recently gone up a bit. And let me just bring up the chart quickly. Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin? Yeah. So as you can see, Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily chart quickly. So yeah, so Bitcoin we recently had a bit of a pump uh, from about like 108,000 to 124, 23 area. So it seems like there's a bit of resistance here. So we might see, if we see like it breaks sooner and then consolidate above 124, yeah, then we can see higher prices. But the only issue is I'm still expecting a bit of a correction, at least back down to um, like these lows, probably 108 or so, even like closer to 100,000, or could still dip below just under $100, like for us to see a massive all season. The reason for that is this is the reason why I'm saying it. So if you look at the Bitcoin, this is total three, so meaning total three minus USDT divided by BTC chart, right? Let's go to the weekly. So what it means, like all the cryptocurrency that we have, right? So from the cryptocurrency market, the total market, we minus Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also USDT, and then we divide it by BTC. As you can see, before the previous all seasons, we've seen this it comes to like 0.25 level, and then this is the all season. And then see hit like 0.25 here, and then we seen this, that's the all season. So even here it just dropped below 0.25 here, like probably during COVID or so, and then this is the all season. So since 2021 January, or like since the COVID uh, March, like in 2020, we haven't seen it comes back down to this 0.25 area. So unless we're gonna see this at 0.25, we can say we might not be able to see a proper all season. So for this one to hit 0.25, we need a correction. So that's why I'm saying, even I still believe there's a, given that the silver is up, gold is up, all the S&P 500, the traditional markets are up, most of the markets are up. It seems like a good recipe for us to have a nice correction now. For BTC, probably back towards 100,000, or even if it dips just below 100,000, that would also be okay. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just holding some USDT. I already bought like some old coins here and there, And if anyone wants to like planning to buy some alts, I know I asked them to download this app, Uniswap app. Download Uniswap app, and if you have an account with MEXC, in my coming videos, maybe in few weeks, and when this chart has the price has gone up down to like 0.25, I'm gonna come up with like few altcoins, couple of altcoins where you can buy them on MEXC exchange or on Uniswap. So Uniswap app, you can download it on your phone. So download them and be ready. So then when I um, tell you guys which all coins to buy, you can quickly add them to a portfolio. So I'm not going to talk about it right now. I'm not going to reveal it right now because people might quickly just go and like, just because out of greed, they just put some money in there. And when this one drops to 0.25, the price, that will probably correct by 50%. There's a chance that it could happen. So I'll be talking about like few altcoins when the time is right. So as I said, it seems like we are about to see a bit of a correction. If Bitcoin comes back to uh, under 110, preferably under closer to 100,000 or just under 100,000 or around like 108 to some area. So we need some sort of a correction right now, and then BTC dominance has to go back up. So if you look at the BTC dominance chart, see somewhere it dropped. So when Bitcoin dominance drops, that's the all season. So we had like a minor all season so far. But what happens normally, Bitcoin dominance goes back up to this area, right? So for Bitcoin dominance to goes back up, we need a correction. Because during the correction, what people would do, they'll panic and then they sell all coins and then start like buying BTC. And preferably like once Bitcoin drops, and only Bitcoin will start going up, like for like 2 to 3 weeks, only Bitcoin will start going back up. Leave all coins behind, including Ethereum. That's when you see Bitcoin dominance goes back up to maybe like 60, about 60% area. And then that's when you'll see that 0.25, probably here, uh, like total 3 minus USDT divided by BTC chart will hit like 0.25, and that'll be a perfect time for us to add more altcoins. I'm already in, like, because we don't know what would happen. So I'm already like 50, 60% in, like, I deploy all my USDT already, but I'm still holding a little bit of USDT just in case, like, if there's like a bigger correction, they can add more alts to my portfolio. Okay, that's just a quick video in regards to Bitcoin price action. I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.